The Boy Who Cried Wolf. There was a little boy. He looked after sheep. The boy felt very bored. He wanted to trick the villagers. He shouted loudly,
"Wolf! Wolf! Help!"
The villagers ran to him, but there was no wolf. The boy laughed happily. The villagers were angry. A few days later, the boy shouted again,
"Wolf! Wolf! Help me!"
The villagers came again. They found no wolf again. One afternoon, a real wolf came. The boy was very scared. He shouted as loud as he could,
"Wolf! Wolf! Please help!"
No villagers came this time. The wolf ate many sheep. The boy cried sadly. Don't tell lies. Honesty is the most valuable quality.